Have you ever wondered what makes the world's wealthiest people tick? What's their secret? The answer often lies in one place: the stock market. Picture this: the stock market, a bustling ecosystem of buyers and sellers where company shares change hands at lightning speed. A place where dreams of financial freedom can become a reality. But what exactly is a stock? Simply put, a stock represents ownership in a company. When you buy a share of stock, you're buying a piece of that company. You become a shareholder entitled to a portion of the company's profits and a vote in its major decisions. Yet the question arises, is investing in the stock market akin to gambling? Some argue that the stock market is nothing more than a glorified casino where the house always wins. They point to market crashes, where fortunes can evaporate overnight. On the other hand, proponents of stock investing argue that with proper research and risk management, the stock market is a legitimate avenue for wealth creation. They point to the likes of Warren Buffett, who amassed a fortune through prudent stock investments. Consider the case of Amazon. Back in the late 90s, a single share in Amazon was worth a mere couple of dollars. Fast forward to today, and that same share is worth thousands. Early investors who held onto their shares have seen their wealth multiply many times over. But remember, not all stocks are created equal. Some are volatile, swinging wildly in price, while others are more stable. Some pay dividends, a portion of the company's profits, to their shareholders. Others reinvest all their profits back into the company for growth. So, how does one get started with stock investing? First, you'll need a brokerage account. Think of it as your gateway to the stock market, allowing you to buy and sell shares. Next, you'll need to decide what to buy. This is where research comes in. Look at the company's financials, its future prospects, and its competitive landscape. Remember, when you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of the company, so you'll want to make sure it's a company worth owning. Finally, you'll need to decide how much to invest. A common strategy is to start small and gradually increase your investment as you gain more experience and confidence. So, is the stock market a casino or a tool for wealth creation? The answer, as with many things in life, is not black and white. It depends on how you approach it. With proper research, discipline, and risk management, the stock market can be a powerful tool for wealth creation. But without these, it can indeed become a casino, where the odds are stacked against you. The choice ultimately is yours. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating world of stock investing. Together, we'll uncover the secrets of the stock market and learn how to harness its power for our financial benefit. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So why not take that step today? Subscribe to the Billionaire Queen channel and join us on this exciting journey to financial freedom. Stay savvy, stay invested.